Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for fashion and clothing business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. Type, for example, fashion and clothing. So, for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. For example, this. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your dashboard. Now enter your store name. Type any name you want. And let's move on. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products and services, and digital products. Where would you like to sell? Online store and my mobile app and marketplaces and in person. So let's continue to dashboard. So design your site. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now wait a few seconds. So enter your information here. If you wanna add your logo, if you wanna change your business name, if you wanna change your email, if you wanna add address, if you wanna add your phone, and if you wanna add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Now pick your favorite homepage design, and let's move on. If you wanna add page to your site, so for example this and this and this. Now continue. So wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more your website, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the list of your homepage settings. So if you want to add elements, click here. This is the list of your elements. So the first element you have here, the text. You find the same text. You can edit the form or the shape of the text. Also the titles, you can edit the form of the titles and also the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. If you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So let's move on to the button. Here find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and the items button. And here we find the payment buttons. If you have to add some payment buttons on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. So here find classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and theme. So you have to add any one of these on your homepage at any place as you like. So let's move on to the decorative elements. Here find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, the horizontal lines, vertical lines, and now let's move on to the vector art. If you wanna add some featured icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. And let's move on to the video elements with video box and video mask and transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes elements. You'll find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. So let's move on to the galleries elements. Here, if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus in Anchor. Here find the themed menus and the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. So that's it. Now let's move on to the in-page navigation. If you want to add some anchor or in-page menu, and the last here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page. You find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, and the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. And here we find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. And here we find the last is the chats, the Wix chats button, and the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here find the video elements. If you want to add something from the video section, if you want to add single video players or Wix video or video bots or video mask or transparent video, or if you want to add something from the music elements, video players, audio players, or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. If you want to add something from the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, if you want to add something from the light boxes, and if you want to add something from the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs, and the last here is the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, if you want to add something from the audio section. So now let's move on to the advanced elements. Also here you can add something from marketing tools or the velodiv mode, and the last here is the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars from here, if you want to add Facebook link or tutorial link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share button link, or if you want to add something from like YouTube link, your channel or something. Now let's move on to the payments form, the payments section. If you want to add some payments forms or payments buttons, if you want to add something from the pricing plans, so here you can manage the pricing plans. If you want to add something from the store, so let's move on to CMS. If you want to easily manage your site content, so you can use the CMS. If you want to manage the blog section and share your expertise and engage with your audience, also you can add something from the store here, and here you can add something from the booking elements or the related elements in the pricing plans. If you want to create and manage events, if you want to add something from the community section, or if you want to manage your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. If you want to add section, here select any section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the page and menus. So here you can add page on your website homepage. So here you can click here add page and you can add page on your home page. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So let's move on to the next. If you want to add apps, now if you want to manage your business, if you want to upload your media, so here you can edit images and videos, you can upload your media if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. And here also you can easily manage your site's content. We already see this section. Here if you wanna easily manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.